Y'all, I've had some issues. I've had some issues. All right, let's get into those. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mecca, if this is your first time checking in. Today I'm going to be talking about 10 months with microlocs. Because I finally have something to update, and I do apologize if you guys are looking for an official 9-month update video. There was just nothing that I really saw. And so as a reminder, if this is your first time seeing one of my videos, I was officially locked on March 1st. So that's when I finished, with the help of my mom, installing my DIY microlocs. So as of January 1st, I hit 10 months, and which is so crazy, so exciting. But I'm just gonna start with the things I've encountered through month 9 into this 10-month lock anniversary. Okay, like let's talk about it, because honey, it got bad, it got real dark. So the first thing I peeped this month, is I've had thinning, guys. I've had thinning at my perimeter, which I was already worried about just because of the immense amount of stress I've been dealing with. But I didn't realize how much it would affect my body. So I went through some really bad skin issues and dehydration, a bunch of stuff as well. But as I was kind of going through my hair recently, I noticed in this area here, I can't even show you because I literally lost that half of the lock, it's gone. So another thing that went wrong within this update. But in this kind of section here, I had basically a razor thin strand of hair keeping my lock intact, and that was terrifying. I really felt like I had been doing better taking care of my hair, and I really didn't expect that to happen to me, but it did. And consequently, I think just through manipulation and everything like that, I did end up losing, like I said, the last portion of that lock. So it was already kind of weaker hair up here, so a bit of a softer texture than the rest of my hair. And at a point, I couldn't even lock this area here because it was too soft and too short. So I kind of got some growth, and now I'm back at square one with that. So that's been a bit disappointing. But yeah, same thing actually happened on this side as well. Not as severely. This side I had two really thin locks, and I'm gonna see if I take a picture of them and try to include that for you guys. But this side I ended up combining a lock that I cannot remember now. I ended up combining a lock because it was thinning too. Oh yeah, here it is. So I combined this lock right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Sorry. So yeah, I combined this lock right here. So now it's a two-headed dragon, and that's just because the shorter piece was getting very, 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 very thin as well. So yeah, thinning has been one of the first major changes I've seen in my locks, honestly, since I started this journey. I don't think I've had anything as severe, anything as worrisome as thinning. In terms of the other sections of my hair, I mean, I don't really notice anything anywhere else. It's just those perimeter pieces. So I'm hoping it's really just a combination of stress and actually genetics, because all of my family, all the women in my family kind of have shorter, weaker edges here. So I'm hoping this isn't some mistake on my end. I will say that I had been kind of manipulating it more, so I've been doing different styles, trying to test out different things. You know, you guys saw that I did the hair paint wax, which I'll link below if you haven't seen that one. So it's been through a little bit more manipulation, I'd say. So I think going forward for the next 2 months until I hit my 1-year mark, I'm gonna just kind of let it be. I did wear this ponytail for New Year's that I'll also include a picture of, which probably was a horrible idea considering I'm having thinning, but I just want to switch it up. So I'll include a picture of that. But yeah, from this point forward, lowest manipulation possible. I immediately take it out of ponytails. I immediately take it out of braids. If I do anything, it's very short term, because I don't want any other areas of my hair to start doing this, because it's just not the move. So that was a long ramble. So second thing is I'm still having issues with, it might be my scalp, but just flakes and things like that with my locks. Like I remember I just washed my hair and I came out and I could still see little flakes. So I'm trying to figure out if I need to maybe start oiling my scalp, if it's time for that. Because like I said, I'm only 2 months away from 1 year. So I'm gonna kind of research into that, but I have been having some issues just with that. I've been washing it once a week, so I'm back on schedule, but it hasn't seemed to really do much in terms of halting the flaking. So I'll keep you guys posted, but that's definitely been another update. And finally, the other kind of thing I've been changing, if you don't already know, I stopped braiding and banding like maybe month 8. And part of me wonders if that's partially why my hair started thinning. I don't know, but I did stop braiding and banding, so I pretty much just wash my hair like normal. And so far in terms of products, still only been using rose water. So that's really the only updates I have in terms of things I've noticed. Length-wise, you know, it fluctuates, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a 360 so you guys can get a close-up and let me know of any changes you see. Alright, that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in more videos like this, have any other suggestions, or just like seeing my face, go ahead and click that subscribe button for more content, and give me a like, a comment, and let me know how you felt. I hope you all had a lovely holiday season. I hope you're all staying safe, and I'll be back next week.